Welcome to Excel Data Aggregation and Graphing Part 3 with Mrs. Kinman. So if you did not get the chance to finish this project with Mrs. Kinman live in our classroom, here is your video tutorial that will help you finish this project. We left off when we had just inserted our pie chart. And the first thing we're going to do now is change this chart title. So go ahead and click on the word chart title. We're going to change that to be something like Original M&M Color Distribution Data. Next, we'll click on the legend down below. A bounding box will appear around the entire legend. We're going to click on just the word red, and a bounding box should appear with 4 little dots around just the word red. Next, we will right-click on just the word red. This menu will appear, and we will pick the Fill Paint bucket. That will expand up into this menu. You can pick the color red, because as you can see, our pie chart, let me erase this ink. Our pie chart started off here, and red is not red, is it? It is blue. And blue's blue, brown is not brown. So we need to fix that, okay? So we're going to click on this paint bucket, and we're going to pick red so that red is represented by the color red, and it doesn't look so goofy. So look, yay, it worked. Red is now red. Next, we'll click on orange and then right click on just the word orange, and we'll get the same menu. We'll pick fill and we'll select an orange color. So then orange will be orange. We'll continue for yellow, for green, same process, blue, and brown. Brown might be slightly different. There isn't really a very good default brown color, so when we click on our fill paint bucket, if you don't see any of these colors up here that you like as brown, we can come down here to more fill colors, and this menu will pop up. You can pick any of these. We're going to pick this brown right here in this example, and then click OK. Or you can use this little slider, make it a little darker to get that nice chocolatey brown color, and then click OK. So there's lots of choices for the colors. These to me match the M&M colors pretty well. We're just going to click on one of the pie slices now. We're going to add some labels to our pie chart. Just click on it anywhere. You should see these little bounding circles, like a bounding box, only it's round. And then we're going to right click on just one of the pie pieces. We'll get this pop-up menu, and we're going to make this selection right here, Add Data Labels. Okay, go ahead and click on that, and it pops these labels in. Now those labels are rather meaningless to us. Okay, we'd like more data that's easier to understand, like a percentage. That's what we're going to be after. So we're just going to pick one of these data labels to right click on. When we do that, we're going to get this pop-up menu. We're going to go all the way down to the bottom and pick Format Data Labels. When we do that, we're going to get the side menu to show over here. And there's some things that we want to do. We want to pick percentage, so you want to click on that so you get a check mark there. We want to deselect value and deselect show leader line. And then we want to come down here for the label position. We want to pick outside end. When we make all of those choices, our numbers inside the pie slices are going to pop out like this and become percentages on the outside edge of our pie slice. And now we have this really good looking chart that's easy to read because it tells us exactly how much of a percentage that pie slice is. Congratulations, you're done with your chart.